Welcome to our channel. We're glad you've joined us on this journey. If you're interested in entrepreneurship, finances, assets, technology, and innovation, you're in the right place. Don't forget to click that subscribe button for constant updates. Today, we're diving into a topic that has been making waves in the financial world: cryptocurrency. Imagine a future where Bitcoin and Ethereum aren't just for the tech-savvy, but are a part of our daily lives. As familiar as the dollar or euro, what would it take to get us there? How did we even get here in the first place? As we stand on the cusp of potential ETF approval and look forward to pivotal events like the upcoming Bitcoin halving in 2024, it's a perfect time to look back at the birth and evolution of cryptocurrency. From the inception of Bitcoin to the arrival of Ethereum and the potential impact of ETF approval, we'll be taking you through the fascinating journey of these digital assets. So, sit back, strap in, and join us as we explore the world of cryptocurrency and its exciting potential for our financial future. Stay tuned, because coming up next, we're going back to where it all began: the birth of Bitcoin. Imagine a world where Bitcoin breaks its all-time high of 69,000 and starts approaching 100,000. This isn't too far off, especially since we've seen a pattern in the past where Bitcoin has surpassed its all-time high each halving by 3 times. This time around, we'll have clear government regulation, legal spot ETF markets, and large asset managers buying millions of scarce Bitcoin. Rewind to 2009, the year Bitcoin was born. It was the first cryptocurrency, created as an alternative to traditional banking systems, leveraging the power of blockchain technology to establish a decentralized, peer-to-peer system. The journey, however, hasn't been an easy one. Bitcoin has faced and continues to face an immense level of skepticism and scrutiny. Despite the challenges, Bitcoin has persevered, transforming from a niche internet curiosity to a formidable player in the financial arena. Now, as we gaze into the future, we anticipate the upcoming Bitcoin halving in 2024. This quadrennial event slashes the reward for mining Bitcoin in half, effectively slowing down the creation of new Bitcoins. With the supply dwindling, the scarcity of Bitcoin could potentially drive its price up, reinforcing its status as a valuable commodity in the global market. Prepare yourself as we delve into the intriguing journey of cryptocurrency and the thrilling potential it harbors for our financial future. As the world of cryptocurrency evolves, we're witnessing countries like El Salvador taking a bold step forward, embracing Bitcoin as legal tender. This groundbreaking move is driven by the desire to boost financial inclusion, stimulate economic growth, and reduce dependency on traditional banking systems. The adoption of Bitcoin as a primary form of currency is not confined to El Salvador. Other nations, including Paraguay and Panama, are also exploring this digital frontier, signaling a shift towards a more decentralized financial landscape. In a recent United Nations debate, the conversation around blockchain and its potential as a global technology was ignited. While some countries voiced concerns about the volatility and security of cryptocurrencies, others advocated for its potential to democratize financial systems. This global recognition and adoption of Bitcoin mark a significant step towards the mainstream acceptance of cryptocurrencies. As we continue this journey, we can't help but wonder what the future holds for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies in the global economic landscape. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the world of Ethereum, another cryptocurrency that's making waves in the financial world. Fast forward to 2015 and the arrival of Ethereum, a new cryptocurrency that expanded on Bitcoin's concept of blockchain technology. Ethereum introduced smart contracts, programmable codes that automatically execute transactions when certain conditions are met. This innovation opened up a world of possibilities, from decentralized applications to initial coin offerings. Exploring further, we delve into the potential upshots of ETF approval. Known as exchange-traded funds, ETFs are crucial in overseeing certain assets or asset groups. The green light for ETFs could usher in a new era, where cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are traded on traditional stock exchanges. Worth mentioning that high-profile asset managers such as BlackRock and RK Invest have submitted applications for a Bitcoin ETF, edging closer to approval. On another note, futures-based ETFs have already been given the nod since 2021. This backing might attract new investors, previously wary about investing directly in cryptocurrency. The approval for Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs could potentially trigger a significant rise in their individual values, cementing their positions as valuable financial assets. As we continue our journey through the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency, we turn our attention to a unique aspect of this universe: stable coins. These are a type of cryptocurrency designed with the primary goal of minimizing price volatility. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, whose prices can fluctuate wildly, stablecoins are typically pegged to more stable assets. These could be a precious metal like gold, or a conventional currency such as the US dollar. What makes stablecoins attractive is their potential to offer a high annual percentage yield, or APY, often around 5%. This makes them an appealing option for investors seeking to maximize their returns while limiting their exposure to the sometimes turbulent crypto markets. In a significant development, the US government and the Federal Reserve are planning to introduce FedNow, a central bank digital currency. This introduction marks a significant shift in our financial systems, further cementing the role of digital currencies in our economy. But remember, as with all things crypto, it's essential to stay informed and exercise caution. In the next scene, we'll continue our journey, exploring the trajectories of Bitcoin and Ethereum. But for now, let's keep learning, keep exploring, and always stay safe in our crypto journey. The journey of Bitcoin and Ethereum, from their inception to potential ETF approval, is a testament to the evolving nature of our financial systems. It highlights the potential of blockchain technology and the growing acceptance of cryptocurrency as a viable asset class. Ready to dive into the world of cryptocurrency? Well, it's easier than you think. Coinbase, a trusted and widely used cryptocurrency exchange, is your gateway into this exciting new era. With a user-friendly interface and a strong emphasis on security, Coinbase offers you the opportunity to start investing in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other digital assets in a safe and secure way. Plus, if you want to take your security to the next level, you can easily transfer your assets to a cold storage wallet like the Ledger Nano. This device stores your cryptocurrencies offline, adding an extra layer of protection against online threats. So, what are you waiting for? Take the first step towards your crypto journey today with Coinbase and Ledger Nano. Remember, the future of finance is here, and it's digital. Before we wrap up, we want to remind you that the cryptocurrency world is not just about investing. It's a community, and your involvement can make a big difference. Please don't hesitate to like this video if you found it informative. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you might have. We'd love to hear your insights and answer your questions. Sharing this video with friends, family, or anyone interested in cryptocurrencies can help spread the word and grow our community. And most importantly, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. By subscribing, you'll be joining our growing community of crypto enthusiasts, and you'll also keep up to date with all the latest developments in the crypto world. Check out the links below to get started on your cryptocurrency journey. And remember, every journey begins with a single step. So why not make that step today? In the next video, we'll delve deeper into the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies. Until then, keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, stay safe in your crypto journey.